द्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान् सहगणललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्ता राधा कान्ता नमोस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौरांगी श्री राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन्निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Let's begin with this bhajan today because it's a very special day. How many ever times we sing this, it's not enough, right? Because that's how much Prabhupada has given us, and we need to glorify him today, at least today. Yadi Prabhupada na hoito, tabe ki hoito, ye jivana bahita kishe. यदि प्रभुपाद न होइतो तबे की होइतो ये जीवन बाहि था किसे निताय गौरेरा पारा करुणा के दीत सकल दिशे निताय गौरेरा पारा करुणा के दीत कलादिशे नारायता पापी दुराचारी शून्यवादी मायावादी तदेरा उधारा करिबारे माना हिन कोंदया निधि तदेरा उधारा करिबारे माना हिन कोंदया निधि यदि प्रभुपाद न होइतो तबे की होइतो ये जीवन बाहिता किसे तदेरा निकटे कुंजनासी बिलाइता हरि नामा सभाया जीवा रूपे गणिते तदेरा के हाइता गुयान यदि पाद न होइतो तबे जीवन बाहिता खिसे देशे देशे हरि विग्रह सेवा रति रात्रि दिने रथयात्रादि महोत्सव सभा सिखाईता कौन जाने रथयात्रादि महोत्सव सभा सिखाईता कौन जाने यदि प्रभुपाद न होइतो तबे की होइतो ये जीवन बाहिता किसे गीता भागवता चैतन्य चरिता प्रेमामृता रससारा कथन सुंदर सरल करिया के बूझ हिता यदि प्रभुपाद न होइतो तबे की होइतो ये जीवन बाहिता किसे कत कष्ट साही प्रीता मने राही के वादिता हरि नामा के दीता मादेरा पूरी वृंदावना मायापुरा मत धाम के दीता मादेरा पूरी वृंदावना मायापुर यदि प्रभुपाद न होय तो तबे की होय तो ये जीवाना बाहिता किसे परमा मंगला श्री चैतन्य महा प्रभुर शिक्षा धना आचार्य प्रचार तेरा के कारिता नियोजना यदि प्रभुपाद न होय तो तबे की होय तो ये जीवना बाहिता खिसे प्रेम कल्पतरु नीताय गौरेरा कृपा कणालभि भारे नीरावादी जया पता कर दया तुम्हारे शरण करे यदि प्रभुपाद न होय तो तबे की होय तो ये जीवना बाहिता खिसे निताय गौरेरा पारा करुणा के दीता सकल दिशे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम हरे हरे. Okay, Hare Krishna. Let's continue. So yesterday we covered a lot of topics, right? Personal questionnaire. These are your personal questions. And then we covered ISKCON and GBC. We covered Acharya and Goswami. We covered Guru. And we also covered Dham, right? And then we covered books also. Only Bhagavad Gita part was done. So today we will continue. Yesterday we covered the summary of Bhagavad Gita, right? The interviewer will ask, right? They might ask, what did you learn from Bhagavad Gita? Summarize, give 10 points and all that, right? What is the prime essence of Bhagavad Gita? All this we covered, yes. And today we will continue. So they might it's not that mandatorily they will point out shlokas and they will ask you to recite, but some interviewers might point out, some do not. Some interviewers they say, okay, recite a shloka of your choice, but some interviewers say they say recite this particular shloka only. Right, so that's why Bhakti Shastri, if you pursue Bhakti Shastri and then take initiation, it will be easy, right? They won't ask anything other than Bhakti Shastri shlokas, so simple ones only, right? So here they are asking, see, tell the shloka name where Krishna emphasizes on Guru Parampara. Anyone knows which shloka this is? Guru Parampara.
Evam parampara praptam.
Yeah, very nice. Full shloka?
I have to see and
Yeah, so they will ask. Yes.
एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप.
Yeah, very nice. So 4.2, fourth chapter, second shloka, Evam Parampara Praptam.
Yes.
Yeah, so that yoga describes the
Or
significance.
imam vivasvate yogam also we can say, no? Or no?
No, so
Parampara
what
only.
happens here is why is parampara so important? Yoga nashta it became
Okay.
lost, no, because of the parampara. There was a cut in parampara, and that's why the science was lost. Yoga nashta parantapa. That's why this shloka is very important for parampara system. And then 4.34 is we all know. I mean, anyone knows which is this?
Tadvidhi pranipatena.
Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshanti te jnanam yo jnaninas-tattva darshinaha. Right? So that signifies or highlights the importance of a spiritual master. What is the position of a spiritual master? Right? And then recite few shlokas from Bhagavad Gita and what teaching do you get from it. This is your personal call. Right? You can whatever has inspired you, right? You can take up easy ones and you can recite. And then 4 moral principles from Bhagavad Gita. Again, it's the 4 relative principles. Okay, that's why Prabhupada has been insisting on that so much. 4 regulative principles. You can stress on that and you can explain. Why only Krishna's worship? Why not other demigods? Yes. I think yesterday we were discussing halfway through this. Anyone wants to answer? Why we should worship only Krishna? Why not demigods?
Yes, because the results, the fruit, the results given by the devatas are temporary, whatever they give us. Like antavattu palam tesham tadbhavat yalpamedasam devan devayajo yanti madbhakta yanti. And Krishna says that they are very less intelligent. And also he says in the same chapter that they are doing avidhi purvakam. I mean the devata worship is avidhi purvakam. Actually the whatever we offer that comes to Krishna only. But instead of offering directly to the Lord, we are doing indirectly through devatas, which is not
Yeah. Okay.
recommended.
Yes, Kiruba Shankar Prabhu.
Krishna is the ultimate supreme Godhead. Like when we reach the root, that will transfer to all the plant. So like that, when we surrender to Krishna, that is equal to others.
Yeah, so it is said, no, we have 33 crore demigods. It's impossible to worship all the 33 crores of gods individually. How many? I mean, even one lifetime is not enough. Even if we worship one god per day, we don't even live for that much, right? Worshipping every god like that, finding out who are those I mean, it's impossible, impractical. But if you worship Krishna, you're watering the root, right? Everybody will be satisfied, right? And we will get. That's why in Bhagavad Gita it says, no, we have to offer the grains to the Lord, then rain will come, then grains will be produced again. But if there is no sacrifice, if there's no food offered in the sacrifice to Krishna, then even demigods will not pour rain. They will not take care of us, right? Others? Yeah, Jayanti Mataji, you wanna add?
Yes, Mataji. Suppose if we are worshipping demigods, then they will send us to their loka. After our punya is over, again we will take birth. But when we are reaching Krishna, we are not caught up in this birth recycle.
Very nice. Yeah. What is that? There is a shloka, no? That
Abrahma Bhuvana Loka
no.
Punaravarti.
Yanti Deva Vrata Deva Pitranyanti.
Yeah, Pitranyanti.
Bhutani Yanti Bhutejo Yanti Madhyajino Apimam. So if we worship Krishna, we will go to Krishna. Otherwise, as Mataji said, we'll go to the demigod's planet and we will down. Yeah, Krishna Kumar Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Krishna is the ultimate authority for even appointment of Brahma, Lord Shiva, to their positions. And he is, if we worship the demigods also, they also have to seek Krishna's mercy to give us the fruits.
Yeah, very
So,
nice. It's sanctional.
Yeah, he is the sanctioner. This is confirmed in Ishopanishad, Vidyam cha Vidyam chayam chayas, that sloka 11. So Vidya and Avidya, what is the difference? People who are of lesser knowledge will pray the demigods to get quick results, but ultimately they will reach their loka and they will be still in the cycle of birth and death. And if we are reaching Krishna loka, the cycle is broken and we are at the mercy of Krishna.
Yes, very nice. So these points you can summarize. The results are temporary and it's temporary. Even if we go to their loka, we will fall down because it's the material world. Okay, only Krishna is in the spiritual world. Okay, next, Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam imparts knowledge to whom and enumerate 2 conversation situations which are important. What are the 2 conversation situations in Bhagavatam?
Parikshit asking the it is taught to Parikshit, no, Mataji, it is.
Okay, Parikshit Maharaj and who else speaks?
Mataji, Sukhdev Goswami talking to Parikshit Maharaj and Sutta Goswami telling to the sages of Naimisharanya headed by the like Shona Krishi.
Yeah, very nice. So these are the two conversation situations, right? One is between Parikshit Maharaj and Shukdev Goswami, and the second conversation situation is between sages of Naimisharanya and Suta Goswami, right? So these are the two conversation situations. And now Bhagavad Gita imparts knowledge to whom? To whom Bhagavad Gita gives knowledge to? Anyone?
To Arjuna and anybody listening to it.
Only them?
No, for Bhagavad
Mataji,
Gita is
general
the
public.
light manual for all the mankind, Mataji.
All the mankind, everybody, right? It says, which is the shloka? Nigama kalpataror ghalitam phalam shukamukadam ratadrava samyutam pibatara bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Every single person takes pleasure from Srimad Bhagavatam. All classes of men, including the liberated persons. Shukadeva Goswami was a liberated soul. Still, he got attracted to Srimad Bhagavatam. Right? So the answer is every single person, whatever kind of person he is, all classes of men take pleasure from Srimad Bhagavatam. Right? And then last shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam. Anyone knows? What is the last shloka to canto?
It
Yes,
starts with
Vinod
Nama
Prabhu, you want to
Sankirtana,
answer?
yes, yeah, but I don't know the full.
No, I don't
Vinod
know
Prabhu,
the
you want to
full.
answer? No one knows the full shloka. Anyone knows? Nama Sankirtanayasya Sarva Papa Pranashanam Pranama Dukkha Shamanas Tad Harim Tam Namami Harim Param. Right, 12th canto the shloka comes. Nama Sankirtana Yasya Sarva Dukkha Sarva Papa Pranashanam. Right, Nama Sankirtana Yasya Sarva Papa Pranashanam Pranamo Dukkha Shamanas Tam Namami Harim Param. Yeah, English version is put up. You can check. Right. This is the shloka. Very, very important. All the interviewers will ask this. Everybody. Right? Even I was asked the shloka. So I was just saying the first line and I was like, it's based on the importance of Nama Sankirtana.
Shloka
Right?
number,
But it's
Mataji?
always good to recite this. Number, anyone knows number?
Mataji, 12.13.23, Mataji.
Okay.
12.13.23.
Okay. So it's a very nice shloka. Please, if possible, learn it.
13 point.
12.13.23.
23.
Thank you.
So this is in 12th canto, is it?
12th
Thank
canto.
you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Okay, then 4 pillars of dharma we already checked, learnt. Then Navavidha Bhakti we all know, right? Shravanam,
9 types.
Kirtanam. Yeah. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam,
Varanam, Bandhanam, Sakyam,
Padasevanam,
Padasevanam,
Vandanam, Dasyam,
Bandhanam,
Sakyam, and
Sakyam.
Pariketanam. Okay. So yeah, you can learn that shloka also, Prahlad Maharaj shloka if possible. And then what is Atma Nivedanam? And give examples. Yes, anyone?
Bali
What is
Maharaj.
Atma
Bali Maharaj.
Maharaj is a good example. And then who else did Atma Nivedanam? And who did all the 9 types?
Amrish Maharaj.
Amrish Maharaj.
Amrish Maharaj did all the 9 types. Right? And what is Atma Nivedanam?
Mataji, offering oneself to the Krishna.
Yeah, offering ourselves to the Lord. Right? So that's what Bali Maharaj also did. He just offered himself to the Lord. So giving away ourselves, like the gopis. Gopis are one of the best examples. They just gave themselves. They never had a life of their own. They never had any likes or dislikes of their own. Right? Their morning would start with Krishna, their night would end with Krishna. Right? Their day would start and end with Krishna. Nothing else in between. Right? All their attachment was for Krishna. All emotions were for Krishna. They would get angry with Krishna. They would love Krishna. They would even complain about Krishna. At the same time, they would go and pamper Krishna. Right? So gopis are one of the best examples, and Bali Maharaj as well. Now, difference between Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. Yes, anyone knows?
Bhagavad Gita is a portion of Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam.
No.
Like Bhagavad Gita is said by Krishna to the Arjuna,
Arjuna
that
in
Bhagavatam
battlefield.
speaks about the glories of the Lord and his devotees.
Yeah. So Bhagavad Gita is something that Krishna speaks, and Bhagavatam is something that. So Bhagavad Gita is Krishna speaks, right? And Bhagavatam is about Krishna, right? This is something we have to understand. So Krishna speaks in, so Bhagavatam is always about the Lord, right? About the glories of the Lord, and it describes all the incarnations of the Lord and everything. But in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna himself speaks and introduces himself to us, right? So yeah. Then have you, okay, this is about Leelamrita. Have you read Prabhupada Leelamrita or his small book? So this small book is what we are reading from today. It starts, right? Hope you all know. We have reading club, no? Deepti Mataji is in charge. So it starts from today in the night. If you've not read, please do join. This is a wonderful opportunity for you all to join and read together, right? That biography of Srila Prabhupada is being read. I mean, it will be read from today. So you can join. Leelamrita is very huge. 7 modules or something, right? But this book is a summary, crisp form of Leelamrita, which has all the details, right? And it is small and summarized way, right? Capsule form. So you can all join and read. They will ask, whether you've read or not. So we should be in a position to say yes, right? And then what are the 2 important lessons we learned from his biography? This is again we discussed in the last class, right? Yesterday, all that Prabhupada went through. Anything that inspires you, you can pick up that and answer, right? How he preached to the hippies, maybe, or how he, how he never had attachment with his family. Anything that inspires you, you can take. And then, yeah, these are all again repeating. Have you give the complete sequence? Yeah, the dates. No, I will share the link. Yesterday I did not share. I will share the link where you find all the important dates of Srila Prabhupada's life, right from his birth till his disappearance, wherever he's traveled, which temple was established on which day, right? What happened, any important event that happened, everything is there in that. I will share it. And then teachings of Lord Chaitanya, we have to read this book at least once. Right? So before taking initiation, we have to read it. Explain the conversation between Ramananda Rai and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yes. Who wants to answer this? Conversation between Ramananda Rai and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Hare Krishna. Mataji, actually, there's a detailed conversation which starts with like different type of yogas he explains, and like first giving up the doing the what is that karma yoga, and the karma yoga and karma mishrita jnana yoga.
Starts with Varnashrama Dharma.
Varnashrama Dharma, okay. And then finally, I think Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, no, go ahead. I mean, next. And then finally, the Radha Krishna, the pastimes of, I think the pastimes of Radha Krishna is the highest, the worship of Radha Krishna. So I think.
Yeah, so basically, if you check Chaitanya Charitamritam or teachings of Lord Chaitanya, it's very huge, the conversation. Like Mataji was saying, whatever he said, he kept saying no, right? The question is, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asks Ramananda Rai, what is the nice or the right way of realizing God? What is the way for God realization? Okay, who asks this? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asks Ramananda Rai. Okay, now Ramananda Rai is Arjuna. He was Arjuna in Krishna Lila, right? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna in Krishna Lila, right? So now Krishna was talking to Arjuna in Krishna Lila, right? Now exact reverse happens. Arjuna goes on talking, and Krishna listens, right? As Ramananda Rai, Arjuna starts talking. So now he starts, okay, what is the way for God realization? He starts with Varnashrama Dharma. He says, Varnashrama Dharma, if you follow, you will realize God easily, right? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, no, it's just a superficial level, right? It's just superficial way. There is no really God realization in that, right? Because we know, Thapumbir Dvija Shrestha, Varnashrama Vibhagashaha, Swanushtitasya Dharmasya Samsiddhir Haritoshnam. Varnashrama Dharma will not give us God. Haritoshanam will give. Pleasing the Lord will give. right? And then next, he says, okay, renunciation of all fruitive activities. That is Nishkama Karma Yoga, he says. Giving up the results to the Lord and just doing. Then, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, bhakti will not become a central part of our life by doing karma, Nishkama Karma Yoga. We will go ahead and do just karma all the time. We will engage in ourselves ugra karma, right? More and more office work and all occupation. Krishna will not become the center. Office work will become the center, right? That's what he says. Then again, Ramananda Rai will be like, okay, then what else? Maybe attainment of spiritual realization, jnana, right? Developing, reading scriptures, and maybe when you attain the jnana of spiritual realization, maybe then your material conception of life will start fading away, then you will get Krishna. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, no, to receive such spiritual realization, you have to study so much, which is impossible in our lifetime in Kali Yuga, right? So he says that also no. Then, last thing, these are all, they have spoken more. I've just taken the important stuff. Okay, so the last thing Arjuna says, Ramananda Rai says, maybe sincere association of devotees, self-realized souls, and hearing submissively Krishna Katha. Maybe this is the only way, right? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, this is the only answer I was expecting. The only way of realizing God or attaining Krishna is devotee association and discussing about Krishna in the association of devotees. Sthane sthitigatan tanuvan manobhir. Right? Sthane sthitigata. Wherever you are, you stay there. But you have to always think about the Lord, read about the Lord, the pastimes of the Lord, right? Or the name of the Lord, chanting the holy name of the Lord, always being in the association of the Lord, right? These are the only things that help us attain Krishna. You don't have to do Varnashrama Dharma or anything. Just always be in the association of Krishna and his devotees, right? So this, in short, you can just summarize. Okay, and then who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his mission? Yes, Madhav Prabhu, you want to answer? Vinod Prabhu? Yes, who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his mission?
Is Lord Krishna himself, the avatar, came for the Kali Yuga, the fallen souls to awaken.
Yeah. Then
With
what
them.
is his
And
mission?
his goal is to spread the Harinam all over the world.
Yeah.
पृथ्वी
So
चे
he is,
आचे नगरादिग्राम सर्वत्र प्रचार होए हुआ मेरा नाम.
yeah, Moranam. So he is none other than Radha Krishna. Right? Radha Krishna Ekatanu hai. So he is Radha Krishna. He's Krishna coming in the mood and complexion of Radharani. That is answer for who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Now his mission is to spread holy name of the Lord and to spread the Sankirtan movement and to inaugurate Sankirtan movement and to demonstrate how to do bhakti, right? And then names of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's associates. Yeah, the main associates. Who are they? You can recite the mantra which talks about
Jai Shri
Sri Krishna
Chaitanya Prabhu
Chaitanya Prabhu
Nityananda.
Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi
Shivasadi
Gaura.
Gaur Bhakta.
So these are the associates. You can just mention the main associates, the 4 main associates, right? Okay, and then now Nectar of Devotion. Who composed Nectar of Devotion and what are the contents? Yes, anyone wants to answer? Who composed Nectar of Devotion?
Rupa Goswami Mataji, for Rupa
No.
Anadas.
No.
No.
Who composed Nectar of Devotion?
It's Rupa Goswami only, right?
No.
Nectar of Devotion.
No.
Srila Prabhupada.
Yes,
No, no, no.
Haribol, who said that? Srila Mataji. Very nice. Nectar of Devotion was composed by Srila Prabhupada. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu was composed by Rupa Goswami. Do not get confused, right? Because Nectar of Devotion does not have everything that Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu has. It has no shlokas, it has no elaborate explanation. Prabhupada has summarized it and given a capsule form of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and he's put in a lot of effort to, compose Nectar of Devotion. It's not a translation or commentary of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. It's completely different. It's a summarized capsule form of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Okay, so it's composed by Srila Prabhupada, and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu is composed by Srila Rupa Goswami. And what are the contents? Yes, what does Nectar of Devotion teach us about?
Mataji, 1 second to
It is
interrupt.
about Hare. Bolo, Prabhu.
Yes,
This
Lord.
associates of Chaitanya, we have to tell the 6 Goswamigas or Panchatattvas?
No, anything. See, Panchatattvas are the 4 main associates. No, Nityananda Prabhu,
Yeah.
Acharya,
And then
who else?
Vrindavan 6 Goswamis?
You can tell. You can. We can mention
Okay.
all the associates. There are so many associates. If you want, you can mention them also. The 4
Okay.
primary is covered in Panchatattva mantra.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay. Yeah, contents of Nectar of Devotion.
Mataji,
General
Rupanugas
description
Mataji, how
about
devotees should follow the culture.
The devotional principles to be followed and what not to be done.
Yeah, the rules, the do's and the don'ts are mentioned, and the way of devotional service, as Prabhu said, no, how to offer devotional service. So it's given as sadhana bhakti and bhava and prema, right? So the 3 divisions, sadhana, bhava and prema. In sadhana we have 2 divisions, Vaidhi sadhana and raganuga sadhana, right? And then after crossing raganuga sadhana stage, we go to, and then after crossing that we go to prema, right? So these all these you can just talk about, and then yeah, it gives us practical pathways, right? How to offer devotional service. Like we have that 5 limbs, no, Panchanga Bhakti. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has described, no, Panchanga Bhakti, which is given in Nectar of Devotion. You have the A, B, C, D, E of Bhakti. So all these things you can cover, right? And then,
NOD is basically slokas talking about varieties of devotional service, then general symptoms of transcendental mellow, slokas primary loving relationships, slokas on indirect loving relationships. These are the 4 sections, Mataji.
yeah, primary loving will be Raganuga, indirect
Yeah.
is Bhakti Sadhana, right?
Yes.
So these
Yes,
things we
Mataji.
can talk about. Okay, very nice. Hare Krishna. Next is yeah, what did you read and understand just now? What we discussed, you can say the same answer. This according to Rupa Goswami. Yes, definition of pure devotion service. Anyone knows the shloka?
Anyabhilashita punyam gnana karma dhanavritam krishnanushilanam bhakti uttama.
Yeah, very nice. So this shloka plus translation we have to say, right? Anyavilashata shunyam, jnana karma dhyanavritam, anukulena krishnanushilanam bhakti uttama. One who is said to be a pure devotee, uttama bhakta means who he should have anyavilashita shunyam, no other material desires, not even a tinge of material desires. The devotional service should only be performed to please Krishna. Jnana karmadi anavritam. It should be free from jnana and karma. It shouldn't be karma mishra or jnana mishra. It should be shuddha bhakti. Right? Anukulena Krishna. Right? It should be favorable for Krishna. It should please the Lord and he should like it. Right? Favorable. Anukulena and Anushilanam. We have to follow in the footsteps of our senior, yes, while performing bhakti, right? So these, if you have in your devotional service, you are considered to be uttama bhakta, right? Or best devotional service devotee, right? Pure devotee. And then pure devotional service according to Rupa Goswami, same thing. So different ways they will ask you the same question and answer is the same. Then yeah, Aarti. So morning Mangalarti, attending morning Mangalarti is the must actually, right? So if we want initiation, morning we have to attend either online or offline. Or it is important, especially Samsara Dhava, we have to learn Guru Ashtakam completely because they will pick up paras and they will ask you to sing. They will not say, okay, you sing the first para, last para, sing maybe first 5 verses. No, they sometimes they will do that also, but they will pick up from the middle, sing the 4th verse, sing the 7th verse, right? Like that you should be in a position to sing, and then they will ask you for translation. Sometimes they will read the translation and they will say, identify the verse, sing it. Right? So we should be thorough with the verse and the translation. And the interviewers are very, very tough on Guru Ashtakam. If you miss Guru Ashtakam, no initiation. This is very, very important. Other questions, maybe if you don't know, okay, they will give you a chance. They will say, okay. But Guru Ashtakam is very, very important. It's a decision making question. Right? So thorough, we have to be completely thorough in and out. Guru Ashtakam.
Mataji, sorry to disturb you, Mataji. We were told by one of the Mataji who took class before that we can, if we are not able to memorize, we can see and recite the song, Mataji.
Is it? Maybe. Very nice then. If you can see and recite, very nice. But somehow we have to recite, right? That's what they want. And also, who wrote Guru Ashtakam? Anyone knows who wrote? They will ask.
Is it Vrindavan Das Thakur? No. Vyasadeva.
No. Vishwanath Chakravarti.
Vishwanath Chakravarti
Right?
Thakur.
Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur wrote it. Very important. We have to learn Samsara Davan Anlidha Loka. Okay, and then Narsimha Pranam, that we know already. Tulsi Aarti also we know. Right, Tulsi Pranam. So Tulsi Aarti means it has three parts. One is Tulsi Pranam, then Tulsi Aarti, then Pradakshina, Tulsi Pradakshina mantra. So all the three we should be in a position to decode and tell. Right, what is Tulsi Pranam? What is Tulsi Pranam mantra?
Vindaya Tulsi Deva.
Tulsi Devya Priyaya Kesasi.
Vishnumukti Pradevi
Devi
Satyavati Namah.
Satyavati Namo
Yes.
Namah.
And then Tulsi Aarti. Okay, and then Pradakshina mantra. What is Pradakshina mantra?
Yani Kani Cha Papani Janmandratu.
Yeah. Okay, and how many rounds of parikrama we should do?
4.
4 rounds. Very nice. So 4 times we should chant Yani Kani and do 4 times parikrama or Pradakshina. And then also they will ask you the order of Mangalarti. What all is used in Mangalarti paraphernalia. You need to be in a position to explain the order. Anyone knows? First, what they'll do
Mataji,
during
blowing
Mangalarti?
conch shell 3 times, followed by incense 7 times. Then ghee aarti, ghee lamp, offering ghee lamp to the whole body, showing offering ghee lamp, followed by conch shell with water. Mataji, sprinkling conch shell with water, and then clothes and flowers, offering clothes and flowers, followed by chamara and peacock. Mataji.
Yeah, very nice. So dhoop, deep, right? First is incense. This order they will ask. We have to remember, right? Then aarti, I mean ghee lamp, and then they will give a bath to the Lord, right? That is in the conch shell they'll fill water and they will give a bath. So water is offered. Then they will wipe the body, right? So that kerchief, handkerchief is offered, right? And then after wiping the body, they will offer flowers, right? And then after offering flowers, they will do chamara, right? The Lord, and then with the peacock feather, they will fan again. So these are the orders you need to remember. Then 10 offenses we already discussed, no? Yesterday, we have to remember. Shishashtakam, it's recommended that you have to by heart, but it depends again on the interviewer, right? Translation and the verses are important. They will ask you. And what else? Yeah, Guru Vandana. Guru Vandana, they will not ask you to sing, but they will ask you if you know the song. Guru Puja, we have to sing. I mean, we have to learn, right? Even Sandhyarti, we should learn. And even Radha Krishna Pranamora, right? The Shayanarti, we have to learn all these Arti and even Bhogarti, right? That is Yashoda, which is that?
Yashomati Nandana.
Yashomati Nandana.
Yashomati.
Right?
Are those compulsory, Mataji? Yashomati
Not
Nandana?
compulsory. Guru Ashtakam is very compulsory, Mataji. And Guru Puja also they might ask.
And even Radha Krishna is not compulsory, no? Radha Krishna Pranamura.
Radha Krishna Pranamura is not very compulsory. Not compulsory, but Guru Ashtakam, Guru Puja, that is Guru Vandana, Prabhupada's puja that we do, and this one, Shikshashtakam.
Okay.
No, Shikshashtakam. And then 10 offenses and Tulsi Pranam Mantra and Pradakshina Mantra. Very, very important. These 5 things. Okay. And then, Yeah, Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj's Pranam Mantra will be the first question to anybody who attends interview. I've asked so many people, right? So that's the first question they ask, Guru Maharaj's Pranam Mantra. And then Bhog offering mantra they will ask, right? That is also very important. So when you say any mantra, right, Bhog offering and all, just do not forget to add Guru Maharaj's Pranam Mantra first. Bhog offering mantra usually starts with Prabhupada's Pranam Mantra. If you look at any ISKCON blogs, they will start with Prabhupada's Pranam Mantra. But as sheltered or initiated devotees, it's our responsibility to add our Guru Pranam Mantra before reciting Prabhupada's Pranam Mantra. So it's Guru Maharaj's Pranam Mantra, then Prabhupada's Pranam Mantra, then the Bhog Mantra or any mantra. Right? And then Tilak Mantra. Yeah, Tilak Mantra is very important. They will ask compulsory, just like Samsara Dava. They will ask Tilak Mantra and they will ask you to demonstrate where all you should put Tilak, right, on your body. And yeah, then why do we need to wear Tilak? Anyone knows why to wear Tilak?
Mataji, remembering Lord at all times and the lotus feet, Mataji, it indicates the tilak on the forehead indicates the lotus feet that we are servants of Lord Krishna.
Yeah, the tilak, the dotted portion that comes
Jivera
on.
Swarupa hoy Nityara Krishna Dasa.
Yeah, Haribol. So the bottom portion of tilak that comes on our nose is actually tulsi feet. Lotus feet of the Lord. It's the tulsi leaf that we draw. It is actually considered lotus feet of the Lord because tulsi is placed always on the lotus feet of the Lord. No, that is one reason. And as mentioned, I think in Nectar of Devotion, it is mentioned that this body is compared to a temple because Krishna resides, right? Hrideshwarjuna Tishtati. So Krishna resides in the heart of our body. So when Krishna is residing in the body, wherever Krishna resides, that becomes a temple, right? And we have to put tilak to make sure we are respecting this body as a temple, to purify the body. And not only that, it also protects us from all the evil influences, evil as in the material influences, right? And it's also the trademark of a devotee. Prabhupada says, no, tilak and kantimala is very compulsory to recognize yourself as a devotee. And what else? We can also say that just by seeing our tilak, the person who is seeing our tilak, if you've put properly using the mantras and all, right, if you've put the tilak and the person who sees that tilak goes back to Godhead. Can you imagine? That person goes back home back, right? Then you are wearing the tilak, so you will definitely go back home back to Godhead, right? So these are all very important reasons why we should wear tilak. Then what else? Yeah, this order, no, instruments order we just discussed. Bhog mantra, yes. And then, yeah, how many times you should repeat Bhoga mantra while offering food to the Lord?
Thrice.
3 times.
Exactly, 3 times.
3
Okay.
times.
And whom and how do you offer food? We discussed yesterday, right? How to offer and how many times we should recite. 3 times we should recite. Whom you should offer? Anyone knows? Answer?
Through Prabhupada Maharaj.
No, not through Prabhupada.
Guru Maharaj.
Guru Maharaj, very nice. Through Guru Maharaj, because Prabhupada will not accept us until Guru Maharaj accepts us, right?
Oh, okay. Okay.
So to whom we offer, many devotees say to Krishna. Krishna will not even look at it. Krishna doesn't know who we are, right? We are not that great. So we always have to offer through Guru. Guru Maharaj will take it to Prabhupada, Prabhupada will take it to his Guru will take it to his Guru. Finally, it will reach Narad Muni, then Brahma, then Krishna. Because we belong to Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya, right? So, Guru Maharaj is to whom we offer the bhoga. Then, why do you keep your eyes closed during food offering? Yes, anyone knows?
That food craving will spoil the.
Yeah, very nice. So when we open the mouth and we see the food, before Krishna eats, we will feel like, oh, I want to eat. Oh, such nice gulab jamun is there, that is there, this is there. Our mouth starts watering. The moment our mouth starts watering, the food is not fit for offering. It will become rumuchi, right? So we can't offer it.
Mataji, the craving for food starts even while cooking, Mataji.
Yeah, that's why we have to cook. Yesterday we were discussing, no, in what consciousness we have to cook. We have to slap our mind and say, this is for Krishna, not for anyone else, right? That's why we have to chant Harinam or just sing Harinam or something and then offer. Right? That's very important. And Prasad honoring mantra, Bhaktivinoda Thakur's mantra. That also we have to learn. And then Achaman mantra. Achaman will be discussed in detail in the class. There is a session for that. Right? Okay. Hare Krishna. Any doubts? Any questions?
Mataji, I don't know if it is true. It is also said that asuras might also come to taste the food, and it is always good to
Cover it, no? Yeah.
cover and then offer it to the Lord.
We have to always cover it. See, in many people might be there at home. They might see before offering. Children can see. Children water their mouth very easily. Dogs can see, right? Your adopted cats can see. Anybody can see. So that's why it's always said cover it nicely. Prabhupada never used to encourage open kitchens because of this reason, right? Kitchen means he used to say like another temple only, right? So we have to be very careful. Okay, no other questions? Any clarifications needed? So on interview questions, this is the last session. Any clarifications you want, please ask me.
Please
Mataji,
share
this,
your experience, Mataji.
My experience? What
Yes.
experience?
Interview, Mataji.
Oh, interview. My interview went on, I think 45 to 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. They just kept asking and asking and asking. I don't even know what I answered. Half of the questions I did not even know. But the main things I knew, Samsara Dava and all. They asked me the last verse, right? They read out the translation of the last verse and they said, which verse is this? And then I said, Yasya Prasada. And then they asked me to sing that. Then I sang. First question was Guru Maharaj's Pranam Mantra. And I kept on saying, I said Guru Maharaj. They said, who is your Guru Maharaj? So I said, Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj. They were like, no, you need respect. You need to add His Holiness. I didn't know all that. No training, nothing, right? So they said, you need to add His Holiness. Or at least say Srila, right? Don't just say Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj. So many things they more than asking me, they used to teach me. It's that many mistakes I made. And then yeah, that's it. Then Bhoga Mantra they asked, and then how many times you recite, all that they asked. Yeah. And then they asked me the story of Rupa Goswami and Sanatan Goswami. When Sanatan Goswami was in the jail, how did he escape? All that they asked me, right? So I had to tell them all that.
Mataji, so they give feedback after everything at the last, like, are we passed or not? Do we
No,
say
that they won't say. Pass or fail, they will not say. But for each question, my interviewer, she was telling me whether it is right answer or wrong answer. If any mistakes I made, she used to tell me, see, this is the mistake you made and all that.
Yeah, that's nice.
So
Mataji,
basically, by the number of mistakes, we understand that whether we are true or God. Is that way?
I don't know. It depends. Yeah, I think, if you're not able to answer, maybe they will see the level of questions also. If you're not able to answer basic questions, then they will definitely not pass. But if they ask you so many questions and you've gone wrong, say 50%, but the basic level questions you've answered, then they will definitely pass you. Right?
Oh, okay, Mataji. Okay.
Mataji, who will take the interview?
Mayapur office, no, JPS office. They have so many devotees in their panel, so they will interview. It will be one-on-one video call, and it should be clear. The background should be visible, your face should be visible. They will see, what kind of outfit you're wearing, what kind of a, just by seeing they will judge how you are, what kind of a person. Everything they will judge. Okay, so
Mataji, so is it like females sari only, or even the salwar is also okay, right? Or
no,
Hare
anything
Krishna?
is okay. I was wearing normal house dress only I was wearing. No, that is okay. But tilak
Okay.
has to be. Make sure tilak is there. Kantimala, make sure it is visible nicely. And make sure lighting is good. They should see your face and all very clearly. And make sure your camera is visible till here. That passport size photo, no? That much it should be visible. And yeah, that's it. And it'll go on. So be prepared. It might go.
Mataji, any idea when we can expect this from Mayapur? When it would be?
No, we have to clear a mock interviews, no, from the temple.
Yeah,
After that,
yes.
you will
After
get
that,
interview.
so it will be immediate after that.
That I'm not sure. I don't.
Okay.
Depends on when the initiation is also scheduled.
Mataji, after shelter, previous Bhoga mantra, previously we start with Srila Prabhupada mantra. Then after shelter, now we have to start with Jayapataka Swami Maharaj mantra.
Yeah, after initiation or after shelter, we start with Guru Maharaj's Pranam mantra, then Prabhupada's Pranam mantra, then only the Bhoga mantra starts. Namo Mahavadana.
That means now 4, no? 4.
Yeah. No, more than that. No, Guru
No,
Maharaj
this
Pranam mantra.
Prasade Govinda also.
No,
No,
that
no.
is for.
That is glorification of Prasad mantra, no?
No, that is Mahaprasade Govinda is while you are eating. Before you are eating, you should recite that.
Yeah,
First,
Mahaprasade Govinda is before eating. Bhoga mantra is Guru Maharaj's mantra, then Prabhupada's Pranam mantra, then Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu mantra.
Gauratvishe Namaha. Then Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana
Krishna
Hitaya
mantra.
Jagatitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha.
Then Panchatattva mantra, then Hare Krishna Maha mantra.
Hare Krishna.
Then the same thing should be repeated for 2 more times, right? 3 times. Then only Krishna will accept.
Mataji, actually I was not aware of that Namo Brahmana Devaya thing because it is not there in ISKCON Desiratory. Like I was following
Oh,
that.
it's there,
Can you
Mataji.
post in the group or the order? Like
Okay, I'll post it.
Mataji, it is available in KK songs. You can just browse through. There is a website KK songs.
This
Just type
Brahmana
KK
Devaya
songs.
mantra also is there in that?
Everything, all mantras are there.
Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji, I heard that a few devotees could not succeed last time. Any feedback that was shared, Mataji, from Mayapur, so that we can take it and improve on it?
I don't know. Maybe Aishwarya Mataji can help you on this.
Will you be able to help us, Mataji, by taking the information from Mataji?
I'll check with that.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, this Bhoga offering, first is Guru Maharaj mantra, then next is
Prabhupada's mantra.
Prabhupada. And Namo Vadanyaya. After that is Namo Vadan.
Yeah.
Okay. After that is after Namo
After
Vadanyaya.
that, Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagatitaya Krishna.
Brahmanya Devaya. Okay.
After that is Panchatattva mantra and then Hare Krishna Maha mantra.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, so basically one tip I want to give you all to clear the interview, it is the sincerity in the heart. It's not about how many questions you know, how many shlokas you know, how much knowledge you have. Nothing will help at the end of the day. Trust me, nothing will help. All that helps is, how much sincerity you have for initiation, how much devotion you have to towards your Guru Maharaj, right? Pray to Guru Maharaj, it will definitely help. Right, and just cry to him, accept me, please give me initiation, and then you will clear the interview. All right. Hare Krishna. Thank you all. I think the next class will start now. We'll close.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Mataji,
much.
for the next class, we'll have to again log in.
Hare Krishna,
continue?
Mataji. Radhika Vrindavaneshwari Mataji, Nandita here. Hare Krishna, Mataji, pranams.
Yeah,
Can
class
you,
is starting.
please,
I'm closing, Mataji.
make me the co-host or something, Mataji? We have to start the japa.
Yeah, I'm closing. Thank you all for joining. Vanchakalpadrubhyascha kripa sindhu.
Mataji, don't close the meeting, please. Just make me the host or co-host, please.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare
I'll
Krishna.
make you the host and you can take it forward.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
But I think this is on going live now. It will continue the same session.
I will stop the live streaming maybe.
Oh, thank you, Sarita Mataji.
Okay, I'm not the host anymore. Mataji, can you stop the live streaming?
Okay. How does one do that, Mataji?
Go to more.
Okay, down. Okay.
Then click on live stream and then say end live stream.